How to remove home floating button on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do this video is right for you, as we have some solution from your problems. First, tap on Settings. Now scroll down and tap on the option called Accessibility. Tap on it. Scroll down again and tap on the option called Touch. Here, tap on the first option, which is called Assistive Touch. As you can see, my Assistive Touch is already off. But likewise, to show you, I'm turning it on. You can turn it off by simply turning it off, the toggle. Similarly, you can go back to your settings by going on General, scrolling down on your screen, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. You can easily reset all the settings, which will automatically help you to remove the home floating button. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.